Let's do the cooking. Good morning, everyone. So I'm going to cook zero meat. This is plant-based. Here's the meat. Ito siya. Tingnan natin yung kanyang plant-based ground meat. Ito siya. This is 220 grams. Lang natin itong sibuyas, kamatis at bawang. So, instead na yung plant-based na ground meat ang uunahin ko, lalagay ko ang patatas kasi mas mabilis lang naman maluto. Plant-based lang naman din siya. So, lagay ko na yung aking mga gulay. Patatas, carrots, and the red and green pepper. Bell pepper. Luto ko lang siya, cook ko lang, and then pag luto na, ulit ko na yung aking plant-based ground giniling. Patis, ground pepper, oyster sauce. Halo lang natin. Cook first the vegetables. Dahil yung plant-based naman na giniling, madali lang siyang maluto. So, ito, medyo ay minuto rin siya bago siya totally ma-cook. So, nilagay ko na yung oyster sauce, paminta, at patis. Isusunod ko na yung tomato sauce. Naglagay ako ng konting tubig and nalagay rin ako ng bay leaves para pampabango. Luto na yung patatas. Maglagay lang ako ng 1/2 tablespoon of sugar. Ito na siya. Haluin lang natin. So, ilalagay ko na yung plant-based na giniling ground meat. And it's done. So, this is it. Ilagay ko na yung ground meat. Lagay ko na yung aking green peas. So, and it's done. Luto na ang ating plant-based picadillo using plant-based ground meat. Okay. Okay, it's done. Ready to serve. Let's eat.